to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today's topic is ICSE Class 6 Introduction to Chemistry Chapter 1 Unit 2 Development of Chemistry. We are going to study about some notable persons and their contribution. So let's go ahead. The first one is Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish was born in Nice, France on October 10, 1731. He discovered hydrogen gas, and the composition of water contains 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen by volume. He also prepared inflammable air, hydrogen, by the action of dilute acids on metals. He was born on 10th October 1731. He was a British by nationality and he was a chemist, and his father was Lord Charles Cavendish, and he died on February 24, 1810 at London. He was a theoretical chemist and a physicist renowned for discovery of hydrogen and calculation of the mass of Earth. He was also the renowned scientist of the 18th century who is credited with discovery of the element hydrogen. He was always known for his ability to record precise measurements, and it was for that reason that the Royal Greenwich Observatory hired him for auditing and evaluating the meteorological instruments. His expertise with the instruments is evident in many of his scientific pursuits, including the Cavendish experiment to determine the mass of Earth and experiments performed to estimate the composition of atmospheric air. He is also renowned as one of the first scientists who propounded the theory of conservation of mass and heat. Despite his accomplishments, Cavendish led a life of isolation and was wary of social gatherings. Let us study about another chemist, Antoine Lavoisier. He was a French chemist. Full name Antoine Laurent Lavoisier, born on August 26, 1743 in Paris, France. He died on May 8, 1794 in Paris. He was a prominent French chemist and leading figure in the 18th century. He was born and raised in Paris, was the first child and the only son of a wealthy family. Mary Anne Pauls married Antoine Lavoisier in 1771. She assisted Antoine in his experiments. She did his drawings for many of his works and also translated works for him, for he did not know the language English. Antoine Lavoisier determined that oxygen was a key substance in combustion, and he gave the element its name. He developed the modern system of naming chemical substances and has been called the father of modern chemistry for his emphasis on careful experimentation. Lavoisier is most noted for his discovery of the role oxygen plays in combustion. He recognized and named oxygen 1778 and hydrogen in 1783. He discovered phosphorus, sulfur, which burned in air. The products are acidic. He also coined the name oxygen for the element released by mercury oxide. He found oxygen made up 20% of air and was vital for combustion and respiration. Antoine Lavoisier also determined that oxygen was a key substance in combustion, and he gave the element its name. He developed the modern system of naming chemical substances and has been called the father of modern chemistry for his emphasis on careful experimentation. I hope you liked my video. If you have liked it, please share and comment, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.